Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations, where we unlock the secrets of the universe and empower you to manifest your wildest dreams. Today's video is all about manifesting a very specific job, and I'm thrilled to share with you the powerful techniques and insights that will skyrocket your success. Get ready to dive deep into the realms of spiritual growth, self-improvement, and the awe-inspiring law of assumption as we embark on a journey to manifest your dream job. This is how to manifest your dream job, unleashing the power of the law of assumption. Let's get started. The law of assumption is a fundamental principle in the realm of manifestation and the law of attraction. It states that your beliefs and assumptions shape your reality. In essence, what you believe to be true becomes true for you. When it comes to manifesting a specific job, the law of assumption suggests that by aligning your beliefs and assumptions with the desired job, you can attract it into your life. How can you align your beliefs, thoughts, and emotions with your desired job? Aligning your beliefs, thoughts, and emotions with your desired job is a crucial step in manifesting it into reality. Here are some strategies to help you achieve alignment. Examine any limiting beliefs you may have about yourself, your ability, or the job itself. Replace these limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Affirmations and visualizations can be powerful tools to reinforce positive beliefs. Pay attention to the thoughts that arise when you think about your dream job. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, success, and deservingness. Practice positive self-talk and focus on thoughts that support your belief in achieving your desired job. Emotions are powerful energy magnets. Cultivate positive emotions like excitement, gratitude, and joy when you think about your dream job. Visualize and feel the emotions as if you have already attained your desired job. This emotional alignment helps attract it to you. Clarity and specificity play a vital role in setting your job manifestation goal. When you have a clear and specific goal, your focus becomes sharper. It helps you direct your energy and intention towards manifesting that particular job. A vague or unclear goal can scatter your energy and hinder the manifestation process. Clarity allows you to visualize your desired job with precision. The more vividly you can see yourself in that job, the more real it becomes in your subconscious mind. This increases the potency of your manifestation efforts. Clarity helps align your beliefs, thoughts, and emotions with your desired job. When you have a specific goal in mind, you can identify and address any resistance or conflicting beliefs that may arise. It enables you to align yourself with the qualities and attributes necessary for that job. The universe responds to clarity and specificity. By clearly defining your desired job, you send a clear signal to the universe about what you want to manifest. This allows the universe to orchestrate the necessary synchronicities and opportunities to bring your dream job into fruition. Remember, the law of assumption works in conjunction with clarity, alignment, and belief. By setting a clear and specific job manifestation goal and aligning your beliefs, thoughts, and emotions with it, you set yourself on the path to manifesting the career of your dreams. Now, it's time to delve deeper into the process of self-reflection and discovering your ideal job. I encourage you to take a moment and reflect on your passions, skills, and values. These aspects hold the key to unlocking your true calling and manifesting a job that brings you joy and fulfillment. Take out a journal or a piece of paper and make a list of activities or topics that ignite a fire within you. What are the things that you enjoy doing in your free time? What activities make you lose track of time? Write them down and pay attention to the emotions and excitement they evoke within you. Now, let's focus on your unique skills and talents. What are you naturally good at? What are your areas of expertise? Write down your skills, both professional and personal, that you possess or would like to develop further. Recognize the value that these skills can bring to a potential job. Reflect on your core values and what truly matters to you in life. Is it creativity, contribution, autonomy, growth, or something else? Consider how these values can be incorporated into your dream job. When your work aligns with your values, it becomes a source of deep fulfillment and purpose. Close your eyes and visualize your ideal job. Imagine yourself waking up in the morning, excited and eager to start your day. What does your work environment look like? Who are the people you interact with? What tasks and responsibilities do you have? Allow yourself to envision every detail, immersing yourself in the experience. One of my favorite exercises is to plan a daily routine. Meaning, you have to plan your day as if you are already working in your dream job. What are you wearing? What are the tasks? What are you eating during your lunchtime? What does the location look like? Emphasize the importance of authenticity throughout these exercises. Your dream job should align with who you truly are at your core. Avoid pursuing a job solely for external validation or societal expectations. Authenticity breeds genuine happiness and success. Remember, the journey of manifesting your dream job is about discovering your true self and aligning your desires with your authentic purpose. Trust in your inner wisdom and let it guide you towards the career that brings you the greatest fulfillment. The power of visualization in manifesting a specific job cannot be overstated. Visualization is the process of creating vivid mental images of your desired outcome. When it comes to manifesting a specific job, visualization serves as a powerful tool to align your subconscious mind with your intentions and bring your desired job into reality. By consistently visualizing yourself in your dream job, you activate the creative power of your mind and send a clear message to the universe about what you want to manifest. Visualization taps into the mind-body connection. When you vividly imagine yourself in your dream job, your brain interprets those images as real experiences. This activates the same neural pathways and releases neurotransmitters associated with the actual experience, creating a powerful alignment between your thoughts and emotions. Emotions are the fuel that amplifies the manifestation process. When you visualize your dream job, it's essential to incorporate emotions and sensations into the experience. Feel the joy, excitement, and fulfillment as if you are already living that reality. Emotions are a powerful energy that magnetically attracts your desired job into your life. Visualization is a potent tool for reprogramming your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind operates on deeply ingrained beliefs and patterns. By consistently visualizing yourself in your dream job, you are imprinting new beliefs and rewiring your subconscious mind to align with your desired outcome. To make your visualizations more potent, incorporate the following practices. As you visualize, truly immerse yourself in the experience. Feel the positive emotions associated with having your dream job. Engage all your senses, imagining the sights, sounds, smells, and textures of your work environment. Try to use the exercises I mentioned before. Consistency is key. Set aside dedicated time each day to visualize yourself in your desired job. The more you practice, the more real and tangible it becomes in your mind. Remember, visualization combined with strong emotions, massive action, and sensations creates a powerful energetic alignment with your desired job. It strengthens your belief, raises your vibration, and draws the job towards you with greater speed and precision. Trust in the process and enjoy the journey of manifesting your dream job. Recently, I published a video where I talked about manifesting without emotions. If you're having difficulty immersing yourself in a specific feeling, the video might help you. You can find the links in the info card and the info box. However, I would like to offer you another option. I call it the butterfly karma manifestation. The principle is quite simple. Do good, and good will come to you. Do bad, and bad will come to you. For example, if you like this video right now, subscribe to this channel and leave a positive comment. You not only support me with the algorithm, but also release positive energy that will come back to you. Someone might read your comment and receive a new positive thought, gain new perspectives, or simply become motivated and inspired. This positive energy returns to you through wonderful synchronicities. Believe it or not, but it works really fast. Affirmations play a significant role in manifesting a specific job. They are positive statements that reinforce empowering beliefs and align your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcome. By consistently practicing affirmations, you can reprogram your subconscious mind, shift your mindset, and attract your dream job into your life. In the spirit of supporting your manifestation journey, I will be sharing daily affirmations in the community tab that specifically focus on manifesting a dream job. These affirmations will serve as powerful tools to uplift your energy, enhance your belief in yourself, and align your vibrations with the job you desire. By regularly engaging with these affirmations, you will create a powerful shift in your subconscious mind, attracting opportunities and synchronicities that lead you to your dream job. Remember, affirmations are most effective when practiced consistently and with strong belief. Incorporate them into your daily routine, repeat them with conviction, and truly feel the truth and power behind each statement. Affirmations will help you align your mindset, elevate your energy, and magnetize your dream job into your reality. Make sure to regularly check the community tab for new affirmations and feel free to share your experiences and insights with the community. Together, we can create a powerful collective energy of manifestation and support each other on this transformative journey towards manifesting our dream jobs. Detaching from the outcome and trusting the universe are essential aspects of the manifestation process. They allow us to surrender control and open ourselves up to receiving the best possible outcome, even if it may differ from our initial expectations. When we become too attached to a specific outcome, we create resistance and a sense of desperation. This resistance can block the natural flow of energy and limit the possibilities that the universe can bring into our lives. By detaching from the outcome, we release this resistance and create space for the universe to work its magic. Trusting the universe involves having faith in the divine timing of events. Sometimes, the universe has a greater plan for us that may not align with our immediate desires. By letting go and trusting, we allow the universe to orchestrate the perfect timing for our dream job to manifest. It may require patience, but the results will unfold in the most aligned and harmonious way. Don't try to control every aspect of the manifestation process. Instead, embrace a sense of calm and inner peace, knowing that the universe is working on our behalf. Remember, detaching from the outcome does not mean being passive or disengaged. It means holding the intention, taking massive action, and then surrendering the result to the universe. Trust that the universe has heard your desires and is working in alignment with your highest good. Stay open to possibilities, follow your intuition, and have faith that the perfect job is on its way to you. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey of manifesting your dream job. Your presence and support mean the world to me, and I am deeply grateful for each and every one of you. If you found value in this video and are seeking more guidance on spiritual growth, self-improvement, and manifesting abundance, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay connected with our community and gain access to a wealth of empowering content that will support you on your path of personal and spiritual development. Remember, within you lies unlimited potential. You have the power to manifest your dreams and create a life that aligns with your true essence. Trust in the process, embrace your authenticity, and know that the universe is conspiring in your favor. As you continue your journey of self-discovery and manifestation, always remember to follow your heart, listen to your intuition, and believe in the infinite possibilities that await you. You are a magnificent co-creator of your reality, capable of manifesting a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Thank you once again for being a part of our community. Together, let us continue to expand, grow, and unlock the extraordinary potential within us. Wishing you boundless success, love, and the manifestation of your wildest dreams. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.